Hi there, students. Endemic. Endemic is an adjective which means that something is typical, is characteristic of a certain place or a certain locality or a certain population. Notice, I think the base meaning is to do with biology. These animals, these birds are endemic to this area of Europe. This disease is endemic to this part of the world. So maybe you could say malaria is endemic to tropical regions. It's something you typically find. Notice this word endemic, you can actually, with birds and plants, you can use in two ways. You can either use it meaning natural and characteristic of this place, or you can also use it meaning exclusively only found in this place. But we use this word endemic more metaphorically to mean typical, common in a certain situation, common in a certain sector of business, common in a certain activity. So you might say crime is endemic in poorer areas of this city. Okay? It's something that is typical in these parts of the city. A high debt burden, owing a lot of money, is endemic to companies in this sector. It's characteristic of companies that work in this type of business. Or I could say that a certain type of grammar mistake is endemic to students of a particular level. Okay? Or maybe that a problem pronouncing the R sound in English is endemic in students of Mediterranean countries. Okay, so endemic, typical, common, what you normally find, characteristic, a frequently found characteristic of a group. Let's see, this word endemic comes from Greek, endemos, and en, in, and demos, the people, as in democracy, or something like that. Okay? And yeah, it means common too. Okay? In the people. So, endemic. Firstly, a plant or an animal or a disease that you typically or exclusively find in one area. Endemic, typical to a certain group, a certain activity, a certain class of thing. Notice this word endemic is probably slightly formal, maybe even a bit more than that. I think I would give it a 7 out of 10. Could you use endemic in a casual conversation in the pub? I guess so, but I think I would use the phrase typical to, commonly found in, normal in, something like that. I would use this word, I think, more exclusively for things of medium formality or for things of high formality. Yeah? So it's reasonably formal. Okay, so endemic, commonly found in, typical of. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Endemic.